Yeah, hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel at Anto254. Yeah, guys, it's another wonderful day that the Lord has given to us, and it's evening already. I was not able to do a video during the day due to the hot sun of this place, so it's very hard and difficult to do a video during the day since the sun is too hot. Yeah, actually today I've begun my video at this place. Yeah, this place is still Kitengela, though today I wanna show you another area where they do cultivation under irrigation. Yes, let me just show you. Yeah, as you can see, there are some green maize there. Those guys do maize under irrigation, and their maize is doing well since they supply it with water. Yeah, to my subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you all, and I really appreciate you. And to my brothers who have been encouraging me, thank you very much. God bless you all, and I'll keep praying upon you guys, and hopefully one day, one time, everything will be well. Yeah. If you're coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, kindly consider by subscribing and share, like the videos. I'll really appreciate you for that, since it will be a great support to me as a YouTuber. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay connected, and I'll keep giving you the updates of what is going around this area. Actually, this particular place, there are so many rentals, as I did said yesterday, and this though this is another place, but this county, yeah, this county is particularly, I see so many beautiful mansions, like there are beautiful rentals houses here. There are large tracts of land, as you can. Yeah, this is, you see, it's very big, and it is unplanted or uncultivated. Yeah, so you can see there are so many beautiful houses here. Yeah, the area is looking amazing, guys. Excuse me. Yeah, as I was saying, this place is majorly, people do major on building rentals. So there are so many beautiful houses within these areas and large tracts of land. So I don't know. I don't know why the lands are not occupied. Though yet, in our village, people have very limited land. Like they have small pieces of land, and they overdo them with cultivation. They cultivate everything within. But as you can see, this area is having very huge tracts of land, large ones, which are doing nothing, just nothing. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm so much happy about my brothers who have been encouraging me. That is Otenga, though I don't know what's wrong, but I'm glad of them. I'm proud of them all, and may God bless them wherever they are. Yeah, actually, guys, Uh, Actually, I've been able to understand that the world indeed owe us nothing. The world owe us nothing. Like, uh, if you want something better, you must work for it, or you must work towards achieving your goals. That since the world owe us nothing, as you, uh, yeah, the world. Why do I say that? I say that because so many people complain of the government, and people complain there are no jobs. Yes, people study, yet there are no jobs. People have certain degrees, you see. But you see, everyone should take it upon him or herself to sell the idea that he was able to learn or to study at the university level to earn money. So uh, that's why I say the world owes us nothing, since we should take it upon us to make it better on us, to change everything and how things operate within us. So I'm just heading home. I came here earlier, but I was on some calls, so I wasn't able to start a video on time, though it's not that dark. Yeah, I hope you can see me. Yeah, reaching the main road. As you can see, there are so many, there are vehicles passing. Yeah, there are vehicles passing here. This is the main road, and I'm just heading home, though I'm not far away from home, but uh, I just want to hurry since I'm walking on foot. Yeah, thank you so much. And if you're coming across this YouTube channel for the first time, kindly consider by subscribing, liking the video, share to your friends, commenting whatever that you like or you think, uh, encouraging me and doing everything. I really appreciate you for that. Yeah, actually, I'm not perfect on doing videos, so if you have an idea, you can correct me on the comment section. I really appreciate that. Yeah, I'll not take you for granted, and life will continue. Yeah, as you can see, people are busy. People are rushing home now, since, yeah, like women are going to cook for their children. So the town is very busy. It's very commuted. And as you can see here, we have where they sell, uh, how do we call it? They slaughter goats, and uh, how do you call it? How do you term it? Yeah, there is a term here I'm forgetting, but I'll tell you if I remember it. Yeah, this is how this road is busy. It's always busy uh, in the evening hours, since it's the main road from Nairobi to Kiserian, and it's heading to Tanzania as well. So there are those who are from work. They are from work. There are those who work at Nairobi. So they are rushing home, since not everybody working, or not everybody in Nairobi stays there. Some people come from some other countries and going to work at Nairobi. Thank you so much to my subscribers. I'll not forget you guys. I'm really appreciating your support that you've been giving me through subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Hopefully, I'll one day achieve my goals, though it's not easy, but I hope one day, one time, I'll achieve my goals that that I have set in place. So I'm just working towards achieving my goals, that I can be a successful person in life, though success not everything. If you don't know how to live with your brothers, your fellow, if you don't know how to live with people, success is not everything, and it cannot help you that much, since uh, you must interact with people. We as humans, we are interdependent. We depend on each other, and everyone has to be there, despite the fact that different people have different occupations, but that is the nature requirement. Nature requires that, so as it can be a full circle. Yeah, it can be a full circle. There must be someone grazing the cows. There must be someone uh, planting sugar cane. There must be someone uh, cultivating crops, rearing animals. There are those who must be working from office. There are those who are homeless, and it's just a call of nature. Yeah, I came to realize that in this life, you can determine or you can decide what you become, and what kind of life you live. It's upon each and every person to decide. If you decide to live a low life or a better life, you can. It's depend on your mindset, and how how you have been given information about wealth. Yeah, some people take wealth. Wealth is taken in different perspectives. You see, different people have different stories about wealth, and they they say different things about wealth. So it all depends on the mindset you have as an individual. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Uh, Actually, yeah, you can see there is an aeroplane, though that place is not an airport. It's a it's a club. Yeah, that's where people, the rich people, when go and enjoy themselves. They enjoy their money. Yeah, they tend to live their life. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, thank you very much. God bless you all, and hopefully we'll catch up tomorrow in the next video. Thank you so much. God bless you. One love.